The context of Taiwan microchip geopolitics dates back to the Cold War, when Taiwan became a major producer of electronic technology and components. In the 1970s, Taiwan emerged as one of the world leading manufacturers of microchips, making it a major player in the global economy and technology supply chain. The relationships between Taiwan and China has been tense since the 1914, when the communists took control of mainland China and the nationalists fled to Taiwan.
At present, the geopolitics of Taiwan microchips is a major issue in the world due to the growing demand for the technology and countries' dependence on Taiwan-produced electronic components. Around 70% of microchips are produced in Asia, and each country has specialized in a sector. In Taiwan, a single company, TMSC, manufactures the most advanced semiconductors available on the market, and the US accounts for nearly 50% of semiconductors consumption. The current tension played against the backdrop of Taiwan-China relationships, as China regards Taiwan as a renegade province and has expressed its desire to reunify the country. Tension between the two countries has increased in recent years, leading to concerns about the stability of the microchip supply chain in the event of a potential confrontation. If so, markets such as smartphones, personal and laptop computers, automobiles, household appliance, security systems, and medical equipment, among others, will be left without supplies.
This in Taiwan has significant consequences for the world, particularly in the electronic and automotive industry. Taiwan is a major producer of semiconductors, which are critical components in smartphones, computers, and other electronic devices. For example, Apple delayed the release of its iPhone 12 for more than a month due to the lack of these components. Uh, the automotive industry is also heavily impacted by the chip crisis, as many modern cars require a large number of semiconductors to function properly. The shortage has caused some automakers to slow down or halt production, leading to decrease in supply and increase uh, prices for customers. For example, car manufacturers like Ford and General Motors have had to reduce vehicle production by 20%. Overall, the chip crisis has lighted the vulnerability of the global supply chain and the need for diversification. Many countries like United States have announced plans to invest in their domestic semiconductors industry to reduce dependence of foreign suppliers like Taiwan. The crisis weak weakness Taiwan's position against China. Since Taiwan used the power of these chips to stop China from a possible invasion, this moment, which will make easier to China to affect Taiwan if Taiwan doesn't have control of the chip industry.